Have you ever wondered how apps like Instacart, Shipt, and Amazon Fresh became so big names in the grocery industry? Instacart alone generated over $2.5 billion revenue in 2022 with 13.7 million active users. They completely transformed the way people shop for groceries, making it easier and more convenient than ever before. Is your grocery business losing customers to your tech-savvy competitors? Are you struggling to find innovative ways to attract more customers and boost your sales? Well, fear not. You can stay ahead of the game by having your own grocery app and comprehensive POS management software and take your grocery business to the next level. With a user-friendly app, you can offer effortless online ordering, delightful doorstep deliveries, customized recommendations to customers, special deals and discounts, easy payment options, and much more. But that's not all. Pairing your grocery app with robust POS management software empowers you to keep a track of your stock levels in real time. Easily monitor and update the status of customers' order. Save time by automating your billing process. Maintain a centralized customer database. Gain insights into your sales trends. Manage employee schedules and roles. Implement loyalty programs to reward customers. Safeguard your business and customers' information. So, be ready to foster your customer loyalty and solidify your position as a go-to grocery destination. At Usher, we have a proven track record of assisting hundreds of businesses worldwide by developing customized mobile apps with minimal effort on their part. With our team of over 200 experts, we can transform your grocery app idea into reality within just 40 days. Irrespective of whether you prefer iOS or Android as the platform, don't let the complexity of app development deter you from taking your grocery business to the next level. Partner with Usher and let our expertise turn your dream app into tangible and profitable reality. Contact us today to get started on your journey towards success.